Hello, my name is Jingonelli, and for today we are going to be looking at management as an art or science. But before I begin off, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It will bring you some good luck in your forthcoming exams. So it's going to be a listen and take note session. Make sure you follow along.
I'm going to start off with management, the theories of management, defining the revolution of this management. Like management evolved from the early stages to the modern state, but continues to evolve. We can trace the evolution of management from the scientific theory by Frederick Taylor in the early 19th century. Around the same time, Henry Ford developed what is called the classical organization theory. From these two early theories, many other scholars have developed new approaches to management. For example, the human relation approach of Elton Mayo, and we're having the X and Y theory of McGregory, Max Weber theory of bureaucracy, and the systems approach of Chester Bernard. We are having other scholars, but per now, as I said, I'm going to hand a few. Then, furthermore, looking at management as an art and also as a science. Now, with management, why it is called an art? Management is called an art because because uh, management requires certain skills which are personal possessions of managers. Science provides the knowledge, and arts deals with the application of knowledge and skills. And with this, how can management, how is it looked at as an art? Here, to manage, to manage, to manage effectively, one must not only be having the necessary abilities to, one must have the necessary abilities to lead, to set critical what? Skills, and also like this person has to be having the creativity, uh, in which more often is enriched with training, experience, education, and the elements of art I can look at in management can be like practical knowledge, personal skill, creativity, uh, goal oriented, such things. Now, what I mean, the overall, what I want to bring out in this as an art, like the way somebody is creative in drawing a picture, maybe if you're drawing an image, you get to be creative, you bring in these particular aspects, you get to draw different things, and you be creative on your picture, the artists. So that is how it's looked at. Yeah, it's individual. Different managers get to bring in their perspectives of the knowledge they are having and their skills, and that's how it's looked at as an art, basing on that, on the elements I've given you. Then how is management a science? Now, science is obtaining information from a particular object by a scientific pattern like of observation, study, practice, experiments, investigations, as if you are in a lab. Yeah? You get to observe, get to study, do experiments. Now, the same here applies. Management process also follows the same pattern of gathering data, facts, analyzing them, and making a decision based on analysis. And the concepts here you can to be used are methods, principles, the theories, the organized knowledge, and also the practice. So that is how management is looked at as a science.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel.